Amagosa ezempilo aseMzantsi Afrika aqaqambe okwenkanyezi kwiziko lengqungquthela laseSandton ngoMgqibelo ngelixa lomsitho wokuwonga iSouth African Health Excellence Awards. Lamabhaso aqwalasela iingcali zakumacandelo ohlukeneyo ezempilo ukusuka kwezophando lwamachiza nonyango ukuyokutsho kukhathalelo lwempilo loluntu. Umsitho ubusendlekwa ngabakwa-Clinix Health Group ngokubambisana neSouth African Association of Clinician Scientists.
Ibelilanga elikhethekileyo ngempelaveki kumsitho wembasa wokuwonga abantu kunye nemibutho ebonisa ukuzinikela okukhethekileyo, ukuveliswa kwezinto ezintsha kunye nobunkokheli ekuqhubeleni phambili umgangatho wezempilo eMzantsi Afrika.
We've added this new edition of being the South African Healthcare Awards because of diversity. I think we've always had a Clinix Health Excellence Award, and we cross over the entire landscape of South Africa, and we wish to open it up to everyone and anyone that is a specialist that works in the healthcare fraternity for 2025. In terms of challenges, as you can imagine, this is quite a very big event, and it involves a lot of people, a lot of sweat that a lot of people have to put into ensuring that we can run efficiently. It's been a long-standing event that we've been doing our best to put together. And I think some of the challenges that we faced has been overcome. So I think we've really focused on trying to get sure that we can fit this event in annually for our specialists. Transparency. There's a lot of personnel that are involved in the selection process across the board, not only Clinix employees or risk committee members, but also the universities. And there's a full transparent process that's utilized to pick and therefore become fair in terms of who gets selected to win these prestigious awards.
Lo msitho ugxile ekukhuthazeni nasekuphuculeni icandelo lezempilo leli.
As healthcare providers, we are doing a lot for our people, and there's a recognition for what we are doing. It really means that one must move on. We must not stop where we are now. It just means that the journey is still very long for us. We don't know where the destination takes us to, but we are wishing and willing that our patients must get quality care that they deserve. What keeps us working is to see those patients that came in very sick, and at the end of the day or in a week or so, then they are going home and they are able to eat for themselves. They are able to do everything for themselves when they came in and not knowing what they have to do. But our presence in their lives when they are unable to do things for themselves, we are there to assist until they are able to go back to their normal selves.
Izimbasa zokugqwesa kwezempilo zaseMzantsi Afrika zichazwe njengezo zingaphezulu nje kombhiyozo nezibonisa ukomelela uvelwano kunye nokugqwesa kukhathalelo lwezempilo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka.